In this video we're going to have a look at some examples using the distributive law. So we've got minus 3, x take 5. The distributive law basically tells me I need to multiply the number outside the brackets by every number inside. So I'm going to draw an arrow to show what numbers I'm going to be multiplying. I'm going to multiply minus 3 by x, okay, and that will give me minus 3x. I'm going to multiply minus 3 times minus 5. The two negatives will make a positive, and a 3 and a 5 give me 15. So my answer is minus 3x plus 15. Let's have a look at this one. We've got 2x. We've got a variable outside the brackets, but we're following the same process. Distributive law, multiply the 2x by 1. We get 2x, and we multiply the 2x by a negative x. Alright, so 2x times a negative x. So x times x will actually give me an x squared. I've got a 2 and a negative number here. Technically speaking, this is minus 1 times x. So if I multiply 2 by minus 1, I get minus 2. So my final answer is 2x take 2x squared. Now we've got a fraction, 2/7 times 14x plus 3. Multiply the brackets by the numbers inside the brackets by the 2/7. So what I've got is 2/7 times 14x plus 2/7 times 3. Now what I can say is 14 divided 7 gives me 2, and then 2 times 2 give me 4. So I've actually got 4x, and if I put this 3 over 1, 3 and 2 give me 6, 7 and 1 give me 7. So that's just multiplying some fractions. So my final answer is 4x plus 6/7. Final example, I've got x, 2x take 1, and then subtracting an x, 3x take x. Alright, so there's a few steps involved here. So brackets, you just separate them by themselves. Okay, so we've got the x and 2x would give us 2x squared. X times minus 1 would give me minus x. That's the first one. In my head, I'm just kind of imagining them as separate questions. Alright, so I've just worked out the first one. Alright, and now I'm thinking in my head, alright, this is what my second question is. So I've got minus x times 3 gives me a minus 3x. A minus x times a minus x. Oops, I didn't draw the arrows. Minus x times minus x. The two negatives become a positive, and x times x gives me x squared. So finally, I can combine my like terms. I've got 2x squared and an x squared here. So that becomes 3x squared. I've got minus x minus 3x. So in total, that's a minus 4x. So my final answer is 3x squared minus 4x.